okay, this is my S3 bucket. Okay, so I have already logged in on my AWS account. So what you need to do, you just need to navigate your bucket. Once you open your bucket, so in the bucket, as of now, you see that there is a single object be there. Okay, but okay, before we are be jumping into the, before we are starting to understand about the storage classes, first we understand about the one thing which is super important, guys. So that one is regarding a version. Okay, so before we are proceeding, before we are configuring a live, designing a life cycle, first we, what you need to do, you should be enable, your bucket should be enabled. Okay, your bucket should be enable, like this is my bucket. Okay, so there you see that my bucket versioning, so this should be enabled. Okay, so how you need to do, so for just we click on to the edit, then you just need to click on to enable. All right, so then your bucket will be enabled. So let's to me covering into this thing. So now I have already saved this. Let me close back. Okay, so I'm back to my system. Okay, now what I need to do, so there you see that the option be there, like you have seen about the metadata properties. Okay, so once you have enabled your version, then what you need to do for your automation object, if you doesn't know about that. Okay, I guess all those things, all the information in a deep or understand, I have already completed in my previous video, so you guys can check out over that, where I am all explaining in a detailed way of it. Okay, so now there you see that about the intelligent tiering. Okay, this is your intelligent tiering, which I told you about, that if you doesn't know about your object, then this will be appear, as of on my case it's be appear 1, but on your case this appear a 0. So for that, you just need to be, what you need to do, you just need to create a configuration. Okay, so you just need to highlight this thing. Okay, you just, with using this thing, it will be create a configuration. So once you click on to create a configuration, I'll let you know, then this page will be appear like this. So there you write on your configuration name. Okay, and what are your meaning of prefix here? Okay, so prefix means you want to be allow a dedicated area, like dedicated objects. Okay, or dedicated inside like prefix. Okay, so that kind of things that I have mentioned on it. So I said no, it can be implemented to all entire bucket. So for that, once I have written my name of the configuration, so let me write down a name. So the name of that I'm using here automated. Okay, I'm using an automated. Then below that, I'm saying that this will be implemented to all of my objects. Then there is use status will be enabled, and then archive rule is also be mandatory. Okay, if I'm not creating, then this will not to be created, it will throw an error. Why? Because I have to define one archive rule. So I said archive access tier, so there I have to mention more than a 90 days, or it's be equal or more than a 90 days. So there I mentioned about 180 days. Okay, so the data will be remain for, either we can keep in my data into using this class for up to 2 years. Okay, but there I'm using a 180 days. So the transaction will be proceeded, and after 180 days the data will be moved to archive access tiers. Then once I click onto this thing, then yeah, great. So my automation, my intelligent tiering is be created. Okay, so whichever that I am putting objects, so I'll show you both. Okay, once I have uploaded this thing, so where it will be work, how it works. Okay, this is a question comes up here. So let me close this thing, let me navigate to my back to the dashboard screen. There is, let me upload one of the file. Okay, so as of now there's a single file be there. Let me upload one more files. Okay, so let me find out, do I have any files be there on my machine or not. So let me navigate to see. Okay, yeah, so what is it? Yeah, so I'm using my own my picture, okay, which I have already uploaded to my LinkedIn profile. So yeah, let's see about it. So let me uploading this thing now. Okay, now you see that when I'm uploading this thing, even in the below section, it gives you nothing, be giving you option that even, okay, if even one more thing I'm highlighting to you guys. Suppose that I don't know about the object, okay, then I'm my by default class will be using a standard bucket. Okay, this is my standard bucket. Even there I can also select that this object will be moved to my this storage class or the any other class based on my, even there also mention all those steps that I have told you about it. Okay, so now suppose that I'm using for standard. Now I don't need to worry about that. Everything is managed by the AWS side. Okay, so we don't need to worry about it. So it gives you value, all the information. So I don't need anything. So I'm just trying to upload this thing. Now once it's be uploaded, now image is be, now this was my image. Now this image is goes to the standard intelligence tuning. Okay, by using that rule, this image will be, this will show you in the costing part. Okay, this will impact you in the costing. So this is about intelligent tuning. All right. So we understand about it how to we create an intelligent sharing. We understand about that how to we configure it, how to upload the files, okay, and how to be make sure that your version should be enabled. Okay, before we are proceeding anything, version should be enabled. How you can able to check it? So for that, just click onto this thing. When you navigate to this thing, okay, because this is a thing that you will appear. Now you see that is the same name that I'm putting a multiple files over there. Okay, this is a mean that my version is be enabled. And version part is also I have already been mentioned in another video. I have clearly given about that, so you guys can take a reference for that. So in this video I'm not covering much more. So in the next video I will be show you about the life cycle of that life cycle object. Okay, yeah. By the time, thanks to everyone. And if anyone has any doubt, any question, any issues, or anything you're not understand about, you can put your message in the below comment box. Okay, and soon I will be putting a way that where you guys can connect to me through that. Okay, meanwhile, thanks to everyone. Thanks for joining today.